I would say it's probably not like any other workshop you've been to, especially related to race. But it's a very different and very, very practical workshop.
Key takeaway: tools for the holiday season with my family. So I plan to use some of this stuff there and hopefully keep the conversation open and not so confrontational or just blocked when we get to a place where we can't understand each other's positions.
I feel like I'm often missing the sort of very practical side and missing the idea that it can also be a good time. And if it's two things, it's those two things.
I am coming away re-energized to continue this work. I now have some concrete, realistic, doable tools that I can use going forward in having conversations with people, and that's huge.